Hey guys, welcome to ATC 711. I'm going to walk you guys through some of the Blackboard site for this problem-based practice course. This is the first out of 3 courses that you'll take in the program. And right now you're probably just getting settled into immersion, maybe going through orientation today or this week. So I'll be brief, but just wanted to give you a little bit of a walkthrough of what this course is going to be like. So right now we're in the information tab. You can kind of see some information about me and how you can contact me if you have any questions or you just need to meet to talk about a couple things. You can make an appointment and we can, if you're across country, we can have a Zoom meeting. But if you're in town, feel free to walk in or set a meeting to come in and talk in person. That's no problem. This is an 8-week course. We will go through 2 scenarios in this course. This year we have Justin helping out with the summer course. So you might hear a little bit from Justin, but you also may work with your preceptors to go through some of these cases. If we can move on to the syllabus, here you can look through some of the specifics of the course, where the points will come from and what needs to be completed by the end of the semester. So go ahead and check this out, shoot me an email, or I will add a questions FAQ section to discussion board so that you can kind of look through that and you can ask any questions there. Next, I want you to kind of become familiar with the modules section. This is going to be your week to week, so it'll always be dated what days you should be working on this section. That last day will be when everything is due, right? Much like some previous practicum courses will work Monday through Sunday. Everything will be due Sunday at midnight, but that doesn't mean you should be waiting until Sunday afternoon to get it done. So make sure you check this out, and this will build. You'll always be able to see them. We'll have 8 different modules. So make sure you double check and look through that. The big thing here then also is to double check on these long-term assignments. These long-term assignments will be referenced in your weekly stuff, but this is where it all is going to be housed. So I'll have another video later on the specifics of each of these long-term assignments, so you can kind of get more information and start planning and start talking with your preceptor maybe about some of these things, because you will be doing it while you're in immersion. So you need to plan ahead and know when are good times to kind of go over some of this information. Okay, if you have any questions about how the Blackboard site's going to run or where you need to find information, please let me know. Otherwise, I can't wait for the semester.